There is something rather peculiar about money, and once you see it, you cannot unsee it. It does not always go to the hardest worker. It does not always go to the most deserving. And it certainly does not respond well to worry. Now, that may sound a little unfair, but it is also wonderfully liberating. Because if money were purely about effort, then those who struggle the most would always have the most. And yet, we know this is not so. So what then is money responding to? It is responding to thought, shaped into words, and repeated until they become belief. You see, your words are not casual things. They are commands, quiet instructions, issued to life itself. And life, being endlessly obedient, simply says, "Very well, as you wish." So when one says, "Money is hard to come by," life replies, "Yes, let us make it so." When one sighs, "I never seem to have enough," life nods politely and ensures that this remains true. But when one begins to speak differently, now things begin to shift. Because a new instruction has been given, a new pattern has been introduced, and the mind, which has been faithfully repeating the old story, is suddenly handed a new script. Now, I must tell you, the mind does not resist what is repeated with calm certainty. It may raise an eyebrow at first. It may even protest slightly, like a guest who is unsure about the tea selection. But if you persist, gently and consistently, it begins to accept. And once it accepts, it begins to act. This is where the magic begins, because money, as it turns out, is not something you chase. It is something you allow. And allowing begins with the words you choose. Now, I am going to give you something rather powerful. Simple, yes. But simplicity, I have found, is often where the greatest power resides. The phrase is this: money is raining down on me constantly, freely, and consistently. Now, I can almost hear the reaction. Some will think, that sounds lovely. Others may think, that sounds unlikely. And a few may think, well, if only that were true. But we are not concerned with what appears to be true. We are concerned with what becomes true, when spoken with conviction. So let us begin. I would like you to repeat this phrase, not hurriedly, not mechanically, but as though you were placing an order, with absolute certainty that it will be fulfilled. Say it now: money is raining down on me constantly, freely, and consistently. Again, a little more assured this time. Money is raining down on me constantly, freely, and consistently. And once more, as though you fully expect life to respond, money is raining down on me constantly, freely, and consistently. And now, write it in the comments below, not for me, for you, as writing it down gives it more power. Now, something quite interesting happens when you do this. The mind begins to form images. You may not even notice it at first, but somewhere, quietly, it starts to picture abundance. Opportunities, ease, flow. And once the mind sees it, it begins to move toward it. Not through strain, but through alignment. You may find yourself making different decisions, not out of fear, but out of quiet confidence. You may notice ideas arriving, seemingly out of nowhere. You may even receive something unexpected, a gift, an opportunity, a stroke of good fortune. And here is where most people make their mistake. They dismiss it. They say, "Oh, that's just coincidence." But coincidence is often life's way of remaining anonymous. It is abundance, without announcement. So instead of dismissing it, acknowledge it. Accept it. Even celebrate it. Perhaps with a cup of tea and a small smile, as though you and life share a rather delightful secret. Because in truth, you do. Now, if money is raining down, one must be willing to receive it. And this, surprisingly, is where many people struggle. They say they want abundance, and yet they quietly resist it. They feel unworthy. They question it. They worry it will disappear. And just like that, they step out of the rain. So let us do something different. Let us remain in it. Let us stand quite calmly and allow it to fall. This means trusting, not blindly, but gently. It means accepting good without immediately bracing for loss. It means recognizing that abundance is not something you must earn through struggle, but something you align with through belief. And yes, it may feel unusual at first, but so does anything new, until it becomes familiar. So carry this phrase with you. Use it when you wake, use it when you walk, use it when doubt tries to whisper its old stories. See yourself standing in a rain of money. Feel the excitement of being in a never-ending wealth stream. Simply return to the truth. Money is raining down on me constantly, freely, and consistently. Let it become your quiet rhythm, your inner conversation, your expectation. And then, watch what happens. Because life will respond, not always in ways you predict, but always in ways that match the signal you are sending. And one day, you may find yourself looking around, noticing how things have changed, opportunities flowing, money arriving, ease replacing effort. And you will realize this was never about forcing anything. It was about allowing what was already waiting to finally reach you. So keep the phrase, repeat it, live with it, and let the rain fall. If this video resonated with you, give it a like and subscribe. That way, we can continue this journey together.